everyone. Hope you're doing well. I miss you guys. Wish we were together to do this math lesson. But since we're not, I'm going to go ahead and videotape this this is Monday, April 20th, the math lesson. Now, I originally sent this out and had it as part of your work for last Friday, April 17th, but some of you were struggling with getting your iReady minutes in. So I went ahead and just said, don't worry about completing it, just complete iReady, and I moved it from Friday to today. Now, if you finished it on Friday, you are one of the lucky ones and you don't have a math assignment for today. If you didn't finish it on Friday, you were finishing up your iReady. This is what we're looking at today. We've been talking about shapes, sides, angles, and vertex or vertices. And remember, we found out that if a shape has 3 sides, then it has 3 angles and 3 vertices. If a shape has 4 sides, it has 4 angles and 4 vertices. So I think most of you have made that connection. And what we're looking at, number 1, it says, now you will use the problem from the previous page. So you have to go back to page 688 for the problem to understand how to name and draw shapes. So shape A, you're going to look at shape A. What's the name of the shape? So you're looking right now on page 688, okay? Not the other page that goes with this. What's the name of the shape? How many sides, how many angles, and how many vertices? So you have 4 shapes there from before. And then it says, what do you notice about the number of sides, angles, and vertices in each shape? So you're going to look at these numbers, and what do you notice about all those numbers? And they didn't leave you any lines, but you can just kind of squeeze it in there. And then you're going to look back at Try It from the previous package and picture it and draw it. Which strategies do you like best for naming and drawing shapes that you see? So go back to those last 2 pages, 687, 688. Look at the Try It, look at the picture it, look at the Draw It. Which do you like better? And then it says to explain. So you have to put some words down here as to why you think it's easiest. Okay, so if you need to fill that out, you can go ahead and stop the video and come back when you're ready. When you're ready, we're looking at page 690. This is your second page for today. You will see it says learn what use what you just learned to solve the problems. Look at the number of sides, angles, and vertices of each shape below. So you have lots of different shapes, and they all have a different letter inside it. You're going to sort the shapes and write the shape's letter in each column. So, triangles. Any of these up here that are triangles, you're going to write the letter here. So I'd say letter J has 3 sides, 3 angles, 3 vertices. It's a triangle, so here I just write the letter J, and then I'm going to move down to here to see if there's another triangle. So you're going to just fill in 1 for each box, and then you'll go to quadrilaterals. Do you remember what a quadrilateral is? It's a shape with 4 sides, okay? 4 sides. There's quite a few different shapes that could fit that category. So look at any shape with 4 sides. Pentagons have 5 sides, and then hexagons have 6 sides. So if you need to label them 3, 4, 5, 6, you can. So you'll go ahead, each shape should be in one of these columns. Number 5, which describes all quadrilaterals? A, all sides the same length. C, 4 sides and 4 angles. B, 5 sides and 5 vertices. Or D, 4 sides and 4 square corners. So which one describes all quadrilaterals? So that means squares and rectangles and a rhombus and a trapezoid and a parallelogram. Which of these describes all of them? Okay, be careful. And number 6, explain 2 ways in which a triangle and a rectangle are different. Now it says 2 ways. They didn't leave you any lines to write on, So you're gonna have to write in this empty space. You can put a number 1 and a number 2 and tell me 2 ways that a triangle and a rectangle are different. Just a little hint. Think about all the things that we've talked about, sides, angles, vertices, those kinds of things. And then that should help you come up with your 2 ways they're different. Okay, short and simple for today. That should finish up your last week's packet. And like I said, if you already completed this Friday, you are good to go. All right, have a great day, and I'll be back with you tomorrow.